Hi Zoidies and Zoyos, welcome back to another video on Plannerzoid. And guess what? I don't have one, but I have two adult Happy Meal toys, collectibles. I don't know what to call them. Why do I have these? Well, somebody gonna sit here and comment under one of my posts or videos or whatever talking about, you know, McDonald's has an adult Happy Meal with junk journal elements in their toys. I was like, huh? So of course, I had to go check it out. Can I just say, the McDonald's meal, which is basically a nugget and a fry or a quarter pounder and a fry with this nasty ass shake, it really wasn't that good. So let's hope that this is worth it and that this is good. Okay, y'all. So I have two different ones. Let's go ahead and open them up. I'm just gonna rip them open, by the way, because of my nails. I don't care about the collectible box here, so. Y'all know what's crazy? I really don't eat McDonald's like that, but then when I saw that, I was like, I guess. It honestly just tastes like what I remember. Okay, here's a little tin. That's cute. So we got this one. I kind of like this paper though. I might keep this paper. Kind of like this paper. I don't know yet. Hopefully the other one is different. Oh, yay. That's crazy. I asked for like a different color. Okay, good. So they're both different. So now we can truly compare. Now we can truly compare and see what's inside. Also, what do we think of the new nails? I finally got the color that I wanted to get. I finally got the pink color. It's so cute. So I had to bring in my fountain pen and I had to show them this and say, hey, I want this kind of pink. And I think they nailed it. I think they did a good job. You know, we tried and she made one of my nails cricket, but it's still really cute. I do love my nails, so they're fun. Okay, y'all, let's see what's inside. So we get these little tin things and Hamburglar. Who is this? Birdie. Yeah, I don't keep up with the whole McDonald's whatever, so these are really cute, actually. I might can save these. Let's open them up. Okay, so this is what's inside. So let's look at Birdie's first. Thanks for traveling to McDonald land. Okay, so this is cute, and this has a code on the back, so I won't show it because it's my special code, but it comes with this. Birdie is my bestie. That's cute. Little sticker elements. Cute. A little passport. Okay. Got breakfast with Birdie. All right. A little pilot license. That's cute. Let me see. And postcards. Okay. That's cute. So you get some stickers, postcards, cute little license. That's so cute. So yeah, a lot of these are stickers and postcards. And let me just say, comment down below. How much does like this meal cost in your state? I'm actually curious if anyone has ever already, you know, I don't know if other people is curious, but I got it to show y'all so y'all wouldn't have to pay for it because this was $16 fucking dollars. With tax, $17. So comment down below. I'm curious if you've purchased this, how much did your meal cost in your state? So this is all you get. I mean, I guess it's okay. Let's look at the Hamburglar one. So you get the same thing. Got cute little passport. Oh, I kind of like these stickers. Can I say his stickers might be a little bit better? Oh, that's cute. Actually, I kind of like his stickers a little bit better. Except for this one. This one's really cute. I actually like this one. So yeah, you get a bunch of like stickers and a couple of postcards. I have no idea what I should do with these tins, but I'm gonna keep them. These are kind of cute, I guess. I could store little craft trinkets in there, I guess. You know what? Let's have a little fun. Add some of these elements to my junk journal because, look at her. And I actually got some more B6 stuff coming in the mail. This is a B6 size. And I got some notebooks and planners coming in the mail. That is B6 size that I actually wanted to try in here. Just experiment, try different stationery. So she's chunky. Okay, let's add some of these decorative elements to my junk journal. Wow, she is just chunky. Wow. Yeah, I'm thinking about taking everything, just kind of putting it in an envelope because I'm trying to see what should I do with it. I also have a flip through on my channel. So if you want to see like a flip through of this junk journal, I do have a video, and I guess I can link it at the end. I should be able to. So yeah, just a lot going on in here. But I'm thinking about just taking an envelope, which I thought I had one. I thought I have an envelope somewhere. Maybe I don't. I'll just put it in here for now. I don't know if the postcards can fit. Oh, they fit just enough. Oh, that's so cute. Yeah, I'm wondering, how do I want to do this? I'm trying to see, should I like, because in some ways you can make extra pages in your journal by taking like tape and taping it there. So now you got like extra pages that wasn't there before. So I'm wondering if I should do that with these postcards or just have them in different places looking really cute. I don't know yet. For now, I'm just gonna put them here. And for all the other stickers, I'm just going to also put them there too until I figure out. I'm probably going to do like a decorate with me on stream. So check out Plannerzoid Pretty Plays on Twitch. That's usually where I do my plan with me's, decorative planning, coloring, light crafting, and of course cozy gaming. So check out Plannerzoid Pretty Plays on Twitch. Really fun over there. Everyone loves being live with me and talking to me. Trying to figure out the YouTube. If I could get the YouTube together, then I could be live on both. But my computer said no, bitch. So there's that. I like these. Kinda, sorta. I just don't know what to do with them. I'm gonna have to make like a whole page. Yeah, all of these are just gonna have to go here until I make a page. And then this has a code on the back of it, so I'm definitely going to maybe check this out. But if it's more coupons or something, I don't want it. I do not want any more coupons or nothing from McDonald's, Lord. I think this is my favorite piece right here. This one is really, really cute with the suitcase. It's pink. Birdie's all girly. And it matches my nails. How cute is that? That's so cute. I love this one actually. So that's my favorite out of all of the stuff. I think my other favorite is probably this one. That one's kind of cute too. So yeah, I'm probably going to put the spread together on Twitch maybe. But I just wanted to do a quick unboxing, show you guys so that you know before you buy it, because like I said, that shit was not cheap. I was like, really? Would I recommend it? If you really love stationery elements and like junk journaling and postcards or collecting like collectibles, yes. But other than that, it wasn't that much stuff in it. $17 is wild for a mid-fry and a mid-sandwich with a horrible shake. By the way, if you didn't know, I think you can change your shake. He let me do it yesterday. He let me change my shake because that blue shake with the pink whip, whatever that is, it was nasty to me. It was too sweet and I didn't like the taste. So he let me change it. I changed it to like a little Oreo or whatever. So Yeah. I guess we'll have to see. It looks cool, looks fun. I will decorate it on my stream, so join me there. I don't know when I'm going to get on. I usually get on Saturday and Sunday, but I was busy this past weekend. And I don't know. Yeah, I've been busy lately. I'm tired. So there's that. Anyways, though, I just wanted to show that. That's it. I just want to do a little show and tell today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below what you think. And did you already get one? And if so, like, how many? I'm curious. Because I think there's like 6 or 7 of them. I was not fit to get all of them. But I wanted to get 2 just to like compare. And they pretty much all have the same things, except it's just themed to that character. So it might be a little different. But other than that,